Yo, what's up, y'all? Before we get into the video, I'm gonna need y'all to text this number right here for SMS. Text keywords Eternal Hope subscribe to this number right here. Make sure y'all do it. Give y'all 10% off and early access code when I drop.
Check it out, okay? Check it out. And we're gonna blow that fucking rock the balloon.
What's poppin'? It's different scenery. As like I said, I'm in the car, and some of y'all may not know, but Houston was hit with a hurricane, and I was indeed in the hurricane. I was in that bitch. I'm not gonna lie. That bitch was low-key kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. That bitch was low-key kind of scary. Cause I've been through tornadoes and shit. Cause y'all know, like, I lived in Kansas for my freshman and sophomore year of college. I lived in Kansas, and we had a tornado come through and shit like that. But it wasn't really like, it didn't hit us. It was like an hour away from us. But you feel me? I still consider like I went through that shit because we got a lot of like storms and shit like that. But this hurricane, I actually went through it like I was in the fucking middle of the eye, like type. I was in the fucking hurricane type shit. But yeah, I had to come home for a couple days because my damn power was out for like 4 days. So I had to come home. And while I was home, my family went on vacation. So I had this little dude with me. I gotta take him back to the crib. I gotta watch him for like a week, but we straight. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and just say some shit because I've been gone for a little while, and that's why I've been gone, is because that hurricane, and I had to like relocate and shit like that. But we back now. We finna go back to Houston. We going back to Houston right now, and I know I have a sample. I have a sample that arrived, I think last week or some shit.
Check reported ahead on US 190 East.
I know we had a I know I had a sample come in last week, right after the storm hit. So I'm gonna get that, and then I have another sample that's coming in, I believe this week, if I'm not for sure. For sure this week. I know it's in Delaware right now. I've been tracking it, but I know for sure. I have a sample coming in, a sample of sweats coming in. So I'm excited to see the sweats, because y'all know I love wearing sweats, bro. That's probably my favorite shit, to wear some sweats. And if they're comfy too, I'm wearing them just every day. Like these, my little veil sweats, these bitches are comfortable. Wear these bitches 24/7, not gonna lie to you. I got that coming in, and I have a set coming in. I have a jacket and a pair of sweats coming in. That's in production right now. And then I got some other shit that I plan to drop when school starts, but I'm not gonna get into that because y'all gotta wait to see. I actually cooked up some shit. Not a lot of people wear that shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not a lot of people wear that shit. Really, the shit that I'm about to drop, it's only for people that can actually put that shit on. Not gonna lie to you. So we'll see who can put that shit on, everything. But yeah, I'm on my way to Houston. I think we're gonna go play hoops later tonight. Other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to Houston. So yeah, because I'm about to listen to my tunes. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to Houston. We out. YouTube. So it is currently not even let's say 2 days later, because I did not record us hooping because I didn't bring my camera. I didn't want to prop my phone up, and my phone was like 20%. So I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. So it is currently 2 days later. I haven't shown y'all the shirt yet. I will show y'all the shirt when I get back to the crib. I'm gonna go work out, but first I'm gonna go pick up this package. The sweats did come in. Sweats came in yesterday. I did not get them, so I'm gonna go down here and get them real quick and then hit to my workout. Yeah. So let me get this package real quick, and then I'm gonna hit y'all back. Alright, y'all. I got the sweats. I don't know if I want to open it now or make y'all wait to open that bitch. I kind of want to open it now because I want to see what the fuck is in it. I did not do my hair, bro. I don't really care. I did get the package. I'm gonna open that bitch now. Man. show you like the details. I'm gonna open it now, show y'all like what it looks like, and then show y'all the details when we get back to the crib, because I feel like that makes more sense. So I just want to see like what it looks like and shit like that. So fuck it, we can open this bitch right now. Okay, off first. Got the little eternal stripe and these bitches are soft. They are very soft. I like that. This is me. Pocket's deep. Pocket's deep. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Alright, as y'all can see. Got the 4 black and white stripes down the middle. Where's the bag? It's a big ass pocket. That shit a big ass back pocket. Alright. Got the Eternal Hope embroidery stitching on the back pocket. Then got the got the logo on the front. So yeah. I'm gonna show y'all like when we get inside, like what it looks like and shit like that. I just can't do it right now because I'm in the car and not getting out the car to like show y'all and shit like that right now. So once I get back from my workout, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on the body and shit like that. Alright, so we back from weight room. I'm finna shower and all that, but first I'm gonna show y'all the sample. Oh, let me get the other sample first too. I don't really like the shirt for real. Mainly because I sent him the wrong size shirt on accident. So that's my fault. That's on me. I sent him the wrong size shirt. But it's cool because that's another quick fix to get that shit done for. But yeah, I sent him a boxy fit on accident. And I did not mean to do that. But damn, I can't even flip my camera. But hold on. Alright, so we finna start from the bottom and go to the top, you feel me? So we go straight leg, no cuffs, you feel me? This is a kind of fleece material, but it's very soft. But I'm gonna change the material. I'm probably a little fuck, so to speak. I'm finna tell him to do French terry, which is like a light, very light sweatpant. But you can wear it in any weather. Damn, I cannot speak today. We go white and black stripes down the side, feel me? Nice little material, and then the Eternal logo with some deep pockets. And then we go jumbo lace on them. You feel me? We go jumbo lace. I think I'm gonna make another pair of sweatpants, but I'm gonna do double waistband. Yeah, probably finna do double waistband on them. So, cause I think double waistband would be hard. And then I'm gonna just do black stripes instead of the white and black. But most definitely finna do a double waistband. I feel like double waistband would be hard. And then on the back, we go Eternal Hope stitching on the back pocket. Feel me? Some slight. And then we finna do multiple colorways. Probably finna do like red, navy blue, black for sure, gray for sure. Might do like a faded pink too. I don't know yet, but still come out with some colors from that. And then moving on to the shirt. This shirt I was talking about 2 days ago on my first vlog that I recorded. That's why I say I had, don't mind the Kenji in my bed. Don't mind that. Niggas fucking up some Twizzlers. But I had sent him a boxy fit on accident. I didn't mean to fucking do that. But this no sleeve one. And then we go big joint. We go big joint. He did everything right, like I asked. I don't really like, if I can hear that, I don't like that material. So I'm gonna ask for like screen print or something, because I don't like that. I don't like that material. But he did everything correctly that I wanted. Big face, big joint, everything correct. So yeah. I'm finna take a shower and then we finna do an on body look, so give me a second. Alright, y'all, we're back. We're back. Don't mind my room. It might be a little dirty because I'm moving, as y'all know. But we go Eternal. This is the sleeveless that I was talking about. I sent him the wrong measurement chart, so I gotta redo it. But he did it right, everything. I gotta redo the measurement chart. But boom. I don't know if I can show the back. Pause, no D. Boom. And then this how the sweats fit. Feel me? That should look gay as fuck. Oh, pause. Pause. But yeah, you feel me? We go with hella, I don't know what to call it. But yeah, straight leg, no cuffs. Boy, I ain't gonna lie, these in black and the navy blue finna go crazy. But yeah, we definitely finna get more made. The others, I got a set coming in. The set finna be hard. I'm gonna fuck with the set, and then we got some other shit coming in too. So, but this how it looks on body. On body, I actually like it on body. Yeah, on body's tough. Yeah, my slipper fell off. Oh well. But you feel me? And then we go big pause. We go big eternal hope on the pocket. So something slight, and it's mad comfy. Something slight, mad comfy. It's just like chilling, you feel me? Walk out, step out, something chill. But yeah, really waiting on the other set. We're waiting for the set to come. It should be done Thursday. And then once that comes in, boy, we done for. But I'm gonna hit y'all back up when I pick up this camera. I don't know what I got going for the rest of the day, so when I pick up the camera again, I'm gonna pick up the camera, you feel me?